The value function converts a text value representing a number into numeric format. This function can recognize strings, numeric dates, and times. The argument of this function is a field. Text is the text value to be converted into a number. Well, thanks for staying with me. In this table, we have several columns containing numbers. See, when we select this column, the sum of these numbers will be shown to us in the status bar. But when we select this column, only its number is displayed. This is because these numbers don't have numerical properties, because there is a slash between the numbers. To remove the slash, we use the substitute command. So we write substitute, open parentheses, select the desired cell, double quotation, slash, double quotation. That is, we want to tell Excel wherever there was a slash, delete it and leave it blank instead. And now when we press enter, you will see that the slashes have been removed. But when we select the column, their sum is still not displayed. So it still has a text property that its sum is not displayed. Well guys, note that the output of text functions is text, left, right, mid, and substitute functions. All these functions, their output is text. Here you see numbers, but these only look like numbers, but actually these are text. So in order to give them numerical properties, we use the value command. So we add value at the beginning of the formula. This command has one parameter. Now if we press enter, you will see that the number is divided into 3 digits and the text has a numerical property and its sum is displayed here. But let's solve another example together. Look, my friends, we have a table here and we have to write a formula in cell C2 that, for example, from column A, whenever you find a multiple of 10, and from column B, show the number in front of it. It means if we scroll down 10 to 10 cells, it will show us the desired cell. For example, now we want row 10 for our analysis. We come down again and we want row 20 and we also want it to show us 10 to 10. So we have to write a formula that shows us the cell in front of it when we get down to 10. See, our answer is supposed to be 10, 20, 30, 40, and finally a multiple of 10. The number on the right of all these numbers is 0. So we are going to use 0, which is common to all these numbers. So we write, if the right side of this cell, it means the right digit of this number was equal to 0. We put a comma. And then it shows us the cell in front of it. Otherwise, show it as empty. Now, if we hit enter and copy down, we see that it doesn't show us anything. So, where is the problem? My friends, the problem is in write. As we said, the output of the write command is text, but we want it to show us the number. We have to multiply by 1 in this part. This is our answer. So, we multiply the output write by 1. And here, when we copy down, you will see that the formula is executed.